Dice the red sweet pepper. Thinly slice the garlic. Chop the spinach. Slice 6 strips of bacon. Peel the potatoes. Slice the potatoes into rounds. Grate the Parmesan cheese. Beat the eggs. Preheat the oven. Place the rack approximately 6 inches from the heating element. Cook the bacon in a large skillet over medium heat for about 10 minutes until it becomes evenly browned and crispy. Drain the bacon fat from the skillet, leaving about 1 teaspoon or 2 taste. Saute the potatoes. Add garlic, red sweet pepper, salt, and pepper 3 to 5 minutes before potatoes are done. Add the spinach. Cook, stirring, for another 2 to 3 minutes until the spinach wilts slightly. Add the beaten eggs and gently stir. Sprinkle the dish with grated Parmesan cheese. Bake in the oven for approximately 10 to 15 minutes until the eggs are cooked.